An overheated bearing or hot spot causes oil droplets to evaporate inside the crankcase, leading to the formation of an oil mist. Higher concentration of oil mist causes crankcase explosion. An oil mist detector or OMD senses oil mist concentration inside the crankcase of all the units. If the concentration of mist increases in any unit above the limit, it activates an alarm. When you hear the alarm, reduce engine speed to dead slow. Ensure that the alarm is not false, not the unit in which the mist concentration has gone up. Request permission to stop from the bridge. Stop the engine and the fuel supply. Switch off the auxiliary blowers. Keep lubricating oil pumps and jacket cooling water pumps running. Open the skylight to ventilate the engine room and prepare the firefighting equipment. Stop the lubricating oil circulating pump. Cut off the starting air and engage the turning gear. 20 minutes after the engine has stopped, open the crankcase doors and inspect the unit indicated by the OMD. While opening, stay clear of possible spurts of flame. Locate the hotspots using powerful lamps. Check the temperatures of main bearings, piston rods, stuffing boxes, crossheads and telescopic pipes using a remote handheld thermometer. Look for squeezed out bearing metal and discoloration caused by heat such as a blistered paint, burnt oil or oxidized steel. Prevent further hotspots by permanent repair. Start the circulating oil pump. Check the oil flow through all bearings. Disengage the turning gear and start the engine. Stop the engine after 15 minutes and inspect the crankcase. Run the engine for 1 hour and inspect the crankcase again. Run the engine on full load and inspect the crankcase to ensure that there are no hotspots.